welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I love decorating, DIYs, thrifting, honey, the whole lifestyle. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. Today I'm browsing around Z-Gallerie, and I must let you know in advance, I was told on a prior occasion, no taping allowed in Z-Gallerie. So I tried to remain discreet with my camera, and because of that, you cannot make out some of the price tags. But as I go along, I'll try to let you know how much things cost as I remember. So do me a favor, sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink as we enjoy cruising around Z-Gallerie together. I'm gonna play a little music now and I'll meet you at the end. I didn't want to make today's video too long, so there will be a part 2 coming up. So stay tuned for that, and I'll show you everything that I hauled from Z-Gallerie and my trip down south. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.